what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We back with another video. Today is gonna be episode 7 of the Summer Shred series. So I'm just gonna get started with the physique updates. I'm sure you guys are wondering what I'm sitting at right now. Woke up at a new low this morning. 157.8. But yeah, that's a physique update. I'm about to go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I get. And then later, we're gonna hit some back and buys at Planet Softness. So, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye! And we're back. Just got back from the stove. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. You know we got the romaine lettuce. Big ass salads are key for satiation and staying full. I prepped some chicken right there. So we got chicken breast, baby carrots as well. Plain, non-fat Greek yogi. Some cottage cheese back there. Some eggies. I got like 60 eggs. A lot of eggies. Some pickles. Pickles bust, bro. Pickles bust. Some sugar-free jelly and tilapia. That's it in the fridge. We got 2 things of sugar-free syrup, 2 of them, sugar-free chocolate syrup, you know, all that. Jordan's watching someone else do the same thing that I'm doing right now. We got that bread, Sara Lee, 45 calorie. But yeah, that's the grocery haul. I'm gonna see you guys in the pre-workout meal or at the gym. I don't really know, but yeah. Please. Yo, what's going on? We back. Say what's up.
I get camera shy.
This is the camera.
Can't do it. You know what? I think I'm actually gonna make the whole thing of pasta and then just reheat it.
Yeah? Alright, so we're back from the gym, but I got 6 ounces of chicken and 180 grams of green beans for now. But we're gonna make some tilapia, and Jordan is making some pasta peppers. Pasta and peppers, something like that, I don't know. But I'm making some tilapia. Yeah, that's the dinner. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little time lapse of us cooking. You guys already know. Yo, what's up guys? We back. It's like the next day. Looking kinda swole right now. But that's gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you're new, because a very high percentage of you guys are not subscribed. So like, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? If you need a coach or a customized training program, link in the description. Bulk supplements, code BENS will save you bread. Cheapest supplements in bulk that you can get right now. You can literally get 2 pounds of creatine monohydrate for like 20 bucks. Like, you can't beat it. And you're gonna save 5% if you use my code. So, Fitletics, highest quality clothing in the game. New drop today, actually. Today, the time that this video drops, there is a new drop. So, go check that out. But yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye!